and I I live in the Surat for 5 months at Premnagar, and my society's people are uh, all people are so good. They always help me for the all things like my education, for my social work, and sometimes they handle my all situations, my in all my situations, my conditions. They always with me, and they reminds me that you are on this way, so you are not alone on this way. We are always with you, like as your father, like as your family, and they always respect me, and they always follow all the rules which one I give them, and they always present in all the session which one I arrange in in Sunday. In Sunday I uh, in Sunday I manage all every Sunday I arrange session on future on some important topic. So they always present, and they listen to me carefully, and they teach. Sometimes they learn from me. Sometimes they teach me, and they always feel gratitude that I am with I am for them. I am working for them, and uh, they always help me for the all things whenever I need for the social work to go outside. They comes with me, and they always suggest me. Sometimes they give suggestions that how it will be good for your next session. And sometimes uh, whenever I whenever in the temple we celebrate any kind of festival, at that time they always help me like cleaning and decorate the temple, and sometimes that my guest comes to the temple to visit. At that time they always give their presentation, and they present at that time, and they welcomes to them, and they take care of them. I also my neighbors are also so good. They always um, they, al- they always give respect to me, and whenever I need something or I told anything, they always do. And sometimes I am so lucky that I have that kind of people around me who always help me and respect me, and where every time they teach me, they respect me as a daughter, they care for me as a daughter, as as a preceptor, and sometimes I feel so lucky that and they always teach me that you are on this way. This way is not so easy. This way is very difficult for the all the things. So they reminds me, and they told me that if any kind of problems and any kind of needs you need, you always discuss with us. Uh, they discuss with us, because if you will be frankly discuss with us, our committee, on that point they will help you, and they will understand your problems or your conditions. So at that time you have don't feel to be hesitate. As a family you can say anything about your problems and about your needs, and I'm so lucky that kind of people around me who understand me and my life, and they also help me for all the things. They care for my all the things like my about my education, um, about about my uh, about my food. Sometimes sometimes they invite for me uh, in their home for the food, and all and they share all problems with me. What to do about our life? I'm suffering from this problem. So how to handle this problem? Because you are our preceptors, you are our preceptor. On that point, they always share with me all the things, and what I say to them, they always follow all the rules. So I am thankful to all of them, and I'm so lucky that I have all kinds of like family. They are always treat me. So I'm so lucky that I leave my family for 1 year for long life, but I'm here living. So they all are like my family. They always treat me like family. So I always thankful to them. And in speaking classes, I'm coming from the for the 15 days, and you all are my like family. You all are respect me, and you all are and you all are respect me, and listen to me carefully. On that point, I am so lucky and thankful to all of you. And spoken classes, perfect spoken classes. Sir is very polite, and he always when when I'm coming, he teach me very well for all my questions. He answers very well. So I am so lucky that this kind of sir I get in my life. And if our life, if I am in this world living, so on that point, first of all, we have to thanks to all of them who respect us, and who always with us whenever we are suffering in our any struggles. So if we are successful in our life, so only we are not successful. But if we are successful in our life, at that point we have to thankful to all that people who always teach us all good things, and make us capable, like our parents, our God, our teachers, our friends, our family, and our whole society. All are with our successful life. So we have to thanks to all of you, and I am also thanks to all of you. Thank you so much.
Okay, good clap.